Self-introductions are a very important part of Japanese culture, and whether it's your first day of school or you're just about to start a new job, having a self-introduction prepared can help you set a great first impression. 7 things to include in your self-introduction. 1. Greeting. 2. Nice to meet you. 3. Your name. 4. Where you're from. 5. Profession. 6. Hobbies. And 7. Strengths. So, first you'll start with saying hello. Our previous video covered greetings in Japanese, so please check out that video to see all the different ways of saying hello in Japanese. Depending on the time of day, you can use one of these 3 greetings. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Konnichiwa. Good afternoon. And konbanwa. Good evening. 2. Nice to meet you. The next phrase you'll say is hajimemashite. Hajimemashite means something along the lines of it's my first time meeting you, but it's closer to the expression nice to meet you. Hajimemashite is usually one of the first steps to introducing yourself. 3. Name. Next up is your name. The simplest way of introducing your name is by adding this after your name. So for me, I would say Reina desu. If your name is William, you would say William desu. If your name is Mary, it would be Mary desu. If you have a nickname that you would prefer people to call you by, you can use to yonde kudasai, which means please call me by. For example, you would say William to iimasu, Will to yonde kudasai. My name is William, please call me Will. 4. Nationality. It's also common to include your nationality in your self-introduction. There are a few ways you can tell someone your nationality, and the first is by using kara kimashita, which means I come from. So if you're from Canada, you can say Canada kara kimashita. I'm from Canada. If you're from Australia, you can say Australia kara kimashita. I'm from Australia, and so on. Another phrase you can use is 出身です。イタリア出身です。スペイン出身です。イギリス出身です。And so on. Those are the basic introductions done. And if you remember these, you'll be off to a great start, but there are a few little details you can add for some extra bonus points. 5. Your job. For example, you can give a small explanation of your job or your profession in your self-introduction. This can be done by stating the profession and adding this to the end of it. 医者です。I'm a doctor. 教師です。I'm a teacher. 建築士です。I'm an architect. But in Japan, if you work in an office setting, it is common to simply say 会社員です。I'm an office worker. Or if you're a student, you can say 学生です。I am a student. 6. Hobbies. It's also good to give 1 or 2 of your hobbies. 趣味は何々です。You can add your hobbies in this space after the 趣味は. Some examples are 趣味は読書です。My hobby is reading. 趣味はダンスです。My hobby is dancing. 趣味はスポーツです。My hobby is sports. 7. Strengths. Another thing you can include, especially in a work environment, is your strengths. You can use the phrase が得意です。My strength is. 英語が得意です。My strength is English. 料理が得意です。My strength is cooking. So these were the basics of introducing yourself in Japanese. Try to keep these in mind the next time you go out to meet someone new. I hope that this video was helpful, and for those of you interested in further studying Japanese, we offer a variety of online Japanese courses. Please check the link in our description below for more information.